Good morning, students. Welcome in the GK class. Today we will do the page number 26, Chemistry Mystery 27 and 28 and 9, Treatment Technologies. First है 26 page Chemistry Mystery. Many advances, both great and small, in the history of civilization were preceded by the development in chemistry. These advances are numerous, and it is virtually impossible to spend even a single day without experiencing them. Given below are a few questions related to the role of chemistry in our lives. Take the best option out of the four alternatives given. The first one is, what is the chemical name of the preservative that is added to preserve squashes for a long time? Potassium metabisulfite. The second one, which fiber is cotton made up of? Cellulose. Third, what do soft drinks such as colas contain in significant quantities? Caffeine. Which iron-based alloy containing chromium and carbon is resistant to rusting steel? Which precious metals compounds are used in photography? Silver. Which microelements are needed to increase soil fertility? Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Which is the most commonly used source of energy for cooking and lighting purposes in rural India? Biogas. Now the next one, which chemical is used to coat the tape of tape recorder? Ferromagnetic powder. What is the composition of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas? Butane, heptane and pentane. Which acid does not contain oxygen? Hydrochloric acid. Which atomic rich mineral is largely found in India? Thorium. Why is helium preferred to hydrogen in airships? It does not form explosive mixture with air. Which acid is responsible for watering of eyes when we chop onions? Sulfuric acid. Which of the following has the strongest bond? Diamond. Which is the main chemical compound found in human kidney stones? Calcium oxalate. Now see the next page, page number 28, treatment technologies. Given below is the layout of the hospital waiting hall showing the placement of various chambers or units where specific techniques of diagnosis and treatment are carried out. Read carefully the descriptions and label each chamber according to the description. First one is done for you. First क्या है देखो, this technique is useful in ascertaining various disorders of heart functioning. It is process of graphic recording of the heart's activity in the form of a wave pattern. क्या है ये? ECG. ECG क्या है? Electrocardiography. The second one is, this technique helps in diagnosing several neurological disorders like epilepsy. In this technique, graphic recording of the electrical activity of neurons, the brain cells, is recorded. EEG. EEG क्या आगे लगाइए? B. Electroencephalography. C. This technique is used to evaluate many internal organs, thus detecting gallbladder stones, liver and kidney abnormalities, and also monitoring fetal growth In this technique, high frequency sound waves are used for imaging the body organs. The pattern of reflected waves is converted into diagnostic information through a device called transducer that is run over the area being imaged. Ultrasound. This technique allows doctors to directly peep into the patient's body. Only hollow organs like food pipe, windpipe, bladder, intestine, and uterus. Using a sophisticated tool which consists of light emitting fibers, viewing lens, and a steering device on one hand. Besides viewing surgical attachments on its end, help in performing minor operations. Endoscopy. The next one is this technique is important in the evaluation of head, chest, spine, organs of the abdomen like liver, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys, urinary bladder, and also pelvis. It can also accurately depict abnormalities within the bone marrow, arteries, etc. This technique utilizes the physical properties of magnetic field, radio waves, and computers to generate images of the body in any plane. MRI क्या है? Magnetic Resonance Imaging. Next F है, this technique is used for imaging various body organs for evaluating the extent of trauma, injuries, and disease progression. It allows physicians to view water vapor thin cross sections of internal anatomy, all without the need of surgery. Imaging capabilities of the X-rays with highly sophisticated processing power of computers are used for accomplishing this task. CAT scan, computerized tomography scan. This technique helps in the crushing of certain types of kidney stones and stones of other organs like gallbladder or liver by shock waves. It does not require surgery. It is simple, short procedure of about 45 minutes to 1 hour that requires no formal hospitalization. Lithotripsy. This technique is the oldest and the most frequently used form of medical imaging. It uses a very small dose of ionizing radiation to produce pictures of body's internal structures. It is often used to help diagnose fractured bones, look for injury, and to locate foreign object in soft tissues. X-rays. Students, you will do these pages in your work and learn it also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay indoors. Stay safe.